Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a very super easy stitch, and it's a crochet pattern which you can use for any crochet project. So let's get it started. So I'm going to chain 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So then I'm going to come here in this single stitch, one single stitch, chain 1, then I'm going to turn around and make again single stitch. So we're going to come here, see, like last stitch here, chain 3, going to come. Now we're going to work here in this space and in this space on the top. So come here, I'm going to insert a hook right here, pull through, double crochet, then I'm going to come right inside here, and then in this space on the top, underneath, chain one. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So we have one smaller one and one bigger one in here underneath, then on top, then here on top, and over here. So we've chained one, and going to turn around our work, then going to come here, make single stitches again, there, chain one again, turn round, make 2 rows, then chain 3. Then going to come right here on top of this stitch here, then set here underneath, and chain 1. You can see this is how it's going to look like. So it's the same one as this one over here. You can see it's the same one. So like what all you have to do is chain 13 or as bigger as you want, then you make single stitches on top of the base, and then you chain 3, then you make double crochet on this top one, like as you see on the top I have one double crochet, and then underneath one double crochet, on top one double crochet till the end. Then when you come here you chain 1 and you make 2 lines of single crochet, and you continue the procedure. So this is how it's going to look like. I hope you like my video. Till then, next time, see you again. Please like, subscribe and share my video. Bye bye.